to check out today's video. This video is a synthetic wig review, and this wig is brought to you by glamourtress.com. So thank you so much, Glamourtress, for sponsoring this video. Now let's jump right into this new synthetic wig. Alright, you guys, so the unit that I have for you guys today is by Zury JEAN. This one is Slay, Another Hair, Another Slay. This one is called Jean, and I do have her in the color blonde. Y'all, she is platinum. So this is what the stock card looks like. Oh, actually, there's another stock card right here. So this is what the stock card looks like. And here's the back. So on the stock card, the color that's showing is Some RT Butternut. And that is actually the color that I wanted, but Glamourtress wasn't offering that color at the time that I ordered this unit. So I decided to go ahead and go with White Blonde. So let's take a look at the cap construction on this bad boy. We do have two combs at the top. We have one comb in the back and two adjustable straps. And sometimes units will give you some lace up here, but there is no lace at the top and there are no dark roots. This one is just blonde all the way throughout. This unit has a nice yaki texture that I love. I absolutely love the texture on this wig. I'm seeing a string right here. This wig actually feels like it's a nice density, a nice thickness. This does feel like that yaki that might get stiff on you though later. This that yaki that you might have to like later on like flat iron. But I do like the construction of the unit. I do like the bangs. I guess I'm going through a little bang phase because I have another bang unit right here. If you're curious and want to learn more about this unit, I do have a review up on my channel. You can just click the link right here and go over and watch it, but make sure you finish watching this review first. Was very hard for me to try to find the center of the unit because the bang is so blunt. The unit has got to be like perfectly centered, and I know for a fact that the combs are not perfectly centered on this unit. So if you think by like placing the ear tabs perfectly and placing the combs perfectly, the unit will automatically be centered, absolutely not, because if I turn this unit, this is where the unit's this is where the unit is actually centered based off of the ear tabs. But as you can see, the bang is lopsided when I do it like that. So you do have to, you know, use your best judgment and, you know, make the bang centered as possible. I know on camera this unit may look like it's a one-dimensional straight blonde. All the blonde is the same color, but I promise you in person it is not. This unit has multifaceted yellows and whites. I don't know if my camera will pick it up because I have so many lights on in here. And I know that this unit is coming off staunch white, but in person it's not. In person, this unit does have some yellow hues to it. It is not staunch white the way it's picking up on camera. So I will try to take some pictures in normal lighting, like outdoor lighting, so you can take a look at how this unit looks in normal lighting. But I promise you, I love this unit. This unit is slaying on so many different levels. It's serving me like atomic blonde. It's giving me all types of life, just in time for the summer. Like, against melanin skin, this is flawless to me. This is a look that I would honestly rock with makeup, without makeup, looking cute, not looking cute. Like, this is the type of unit that is so easy to throw on and go, and it's so show-stopping and just like jaw-dropping. I don't really think you need a lot with this unit, but like some lip gloss, some lashes, and you're good to go. I love this look. I honestly thought that I was gonna rock that other wig to my next event, but this one may be the unit that I'm gonna rock to my next event. Like, I'm still trying to decide on what hair I want to wear. I know that whatever hair I wear, I want it to be a statement. I want it to steal the show. I want it to be like the statement of the day. Like, I don't even want my outfit to be as stunning as I want my hair to be, and I feel like this just may be the unit. And it's so simple. Like, this is a throw on and go unit. You don't have to do anything, and I just know from all angles, from like every picture, you know, when I decide on what hair that I'm gonna wear, a large part of it is, what if somebody's taking a picture of me and I don't know they're taking a picture, but like, will my hair look good from that angle? Will my hair be like covering my face too much, or will my hair not be sitting right? Will my lace, like, will people be able to clock my lace? Like, that is a decision. That is all a part of the decisions that go through my mind when I decide what hair I want to wear to a specific event. So these are all things that I've learned over time, though. Like, you have to think about all this type of stuff before you decide what hair you're gonna wear to what event. But yeah, this one looks nice from like all different angles. She's so cute. I love the fact that they didn't do too much by trying to do an angle bob for this cut. It's just really, really simple. And I definitely can appreciate that. Wigs and units have kind of been getting on my nerves lately because they're all starting to look the same. It's like, I want these wig companies to go back to listening to the bloggers, listen to your customers. We want something new. If things don't always have to be so complicated. This is not a complicated wig. This is a full cap wig with combs, adjustable straps, a bang, and a blunt cut. Like, it doesn't have to be that complicated, guys. You know, as long as it looks good, we're good. It doesn't have to be chopped on this side, lowered on that side, half a color over here, another half a color over here, doing all of the most. Like, no, it doesn't. It could just be flawless and pretty. That's what the girls want. That's what we want. Flawless and pretty. Can you give us that? Can you do that? Okay, Zury, I see y'all. Y'all could do it. I was losing hope for a minute there, but they could do it. Let me stop rambling and babbling all of this the whole day away. If you are in the DC area, I do have an event coming up, Melanin Movement. It is a part of my event brand, which is called Melanin Classic. Make sure you go over, check us out, and if you are in the area, make sure you buy your ticket. Support the kid. Come out. You'll meet a whole bunch of influencers that are in the area, entrepreneurs out here doing their thing. So we are celebrating melanin, entrepreneurship, and love. So make sure you guys come get your ticket. It is a brunch and a day party, so come turn up with me if you're in the DC area. Love you guys so much. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you're subscribed. How many times? I need to say that again. Make sure you're subscribed. Because so many of you guys are watching, you're enjoying the content, and you're not subscribing. Like, I see you. I see you. Think I can't see you, but I'm watching you, watching me, watching me, watching you. I'm watching you. So click that subscribe button. All right, you guys, make sure you stay tuned for the slow-mos because they are so lit. Just because I know someone is gonna ask me, I did make my bralette. This is a bralette that I made out of some jean shorts that I had for years and hadn't been wearing. So I took one of my old bras and I hot glued the shorts to this bra and created this bralette. So if you want one, I can make you one. You can just send me a message to my my custom clothing line, which is On Cara Streets by Jess. So you can just send me an email, oncarastreetsbyjess@gmail.com, and I can make you a denim bralette if you would like one. So yeah, just send me a message.